Hey everyone. Welcome back to my Photoshop tutorial. Today I show you how to make a pattern look like this. So let's get started. Open Photoshop. Press Ctrl N to open new file. And I change the file name to Dark Pattern Design. Width and height 5 inch. Resolution is 100. And color mode is CMYK, and I can change color mode CMYK to RGB after pattern finish. Hit OK. Select the background layer. And press D. To default color. Fill black color to press. Alt backspace. Press Ctrl J. To duplicate layer. Then go to the effect. Select gradient overlay. And change opacity to 45%. Select gradient black and white. And change black color. Type this code. 231F20. Hit OK. Select reverse. And style is angle. Select align with layer. Angle degree is -135. And scale is 100. Hit OK. Press Ctrl J. To duplicate layer. Double-click gradient overlay. And change the angle to 135 degree. Hit OK. Select first layer. And change opacity to 76%. Hold Shift. And select both layer. Press Ctrl E to merge. Now go to the View menu. Select New Guide. And change vertical position is 50%. Select Rectangle tool. Press Ctrl 0 to fit the page. And draw like this. Delete selection area. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Select Move tool. Press Ctrl J. Hold Shift and drag right side. Press Ctrl T and press right click. Select Flip horizontal. Select Move tool and apply. Select Rectangle tool. Go to Option Style. Select Fixed Size. Width and height is 3 cm. Click here. Click this icon to create a new layer. And fill the black color to press Alt backspace. Select Move tool. And press Ctrl A. Hit this 2 center icon to align in center. Press Ctrl D to deselect. And press Ctrl T. Selects the rotation to 135 degree. Press Enter. Go to View menu. And select Clear Guide. Hold Shift and drag up look like this. Press Ctrl J, hold Shift and drag down. Select both layers. Press Ctrl E, press Ctrl J. And press Ctrl T. Set rotation 90 degree. Hit enter. Now select this both layers. Press Ctrl E to merge. Change normal to screen. Design is finished. Now we make pattern to this design. Go to the edit menu. Select define pattern. Hit enter. Press Ctrl and make new file. You can choose your own height and width. I choose width is 20 inches. Height is 10 inches. Resolution is 100. And color mode is CYMK. Hit OK. Fill black color. Press Alt backspace. Press Ctrl J. Go to the layer style. Select pattern overlay. Click this pattern box. And select this pattern. Scale is 10%. Hit OK. Right-click. Select Convert to Smart Object. Again right-click. Select Rasterize Layer. Press Ctrl J. And change normal to color dodge. Second layer is multiply. First pattern complete. Select both layer. Press Ctrl G to group the layer. Right-click. Select duplicate group. Click this eye to hide the group. Now we make second. Select first layer mode. Color dodge. And second layer is vivid light. Second complete. Now third. Right-click. Select duplicate group. Select first layer mode. Hard light. And second layer also hard light. Third complete. Now fourth. Right-click. Duplicate group. Select first layer mode. Overlay. And second layer is linear light. Fourth complete. Now fifth. Right-click. Duplicate group. Select first layer mode. Hard light. And second layer also hard light. Select both layers. Press Ctrl E to merge. And press Ctrl J. Select first layer mode is darker. And second layer is pin light. Fifth done. Now sixth. Right-click duplicate group. First layer mode is darker color. And second layer is pin light. Sixth done. Now seventh. Right-click duplicate group. First layer mode is vivid light. Second layer is difference. Seventh done. Now 8th. Right-click duplicate group. First layer mode is linear light. Second layer is darker color. 8th done. Now 9th. Right-click duplicate group. First layer is exclusive. Second layer is lighter color. 9th done. Now last. Right-click duplicate group. First layer mode is darker color. And delete second layer. Perfect. Select the background layer. Press Ctrl J. Select background layer copy. Hold Alt plus left click, drag all group. Like this. And check the all group. The background layer is last. Perfect. Select one by one group. And press Ctrl E to merge. Now we convert CYMK to RGB. Go to the image menu. Select mode. And hit RGB color. Select don't merge. All patterns is complete. If you learn something, then hit like button. I see you in next tutorial. Thanks for watching.